Okay, in this video we're going to see how we can use Axios on our vanilla JavaScript or jQuery. Okay, this is the Axios npm package. What I'm going to do now is I will start a new project first. Okay, so simply open folder. Let's say I create a new folder and I call it Axios underscore test. Okay, so I select the folder. So what I'll simply do here is I'll open up my terminal and I'm going to run an npm command to install Axios. Install Axios. I'm going to add the save flag to it. Okay, so we install the Axios. I would like us to install jQuery as well, just to test in case we want to use jQuery with it. So we'll still run an npm command to install jQuery. So say npm install jQuery. Okay. So jQuery will be added to. So we have two packages here. We have the jQuery, we have the Axios on our node modules. Okay. So what I'm going to do here now is I'll create an index file. That's index.html. Okay. I will simply put on my files. Let's say testing Axios. Okay. So let me just put maybe a h3 and say we are testing Axios. Okay. So simply, I think I'll call it Axios test. Okay. So it will be localhost / Axios. Sorry. Yeah, Axios tests. Okay. So here we are. Now we are going to bring up our console environment. In case we have an error, we'll see the error there. So what I'm going to do here now is I will try to link up the Axios from the node module. So simply open my scripts. Okay. So first of all, let's see from the Axios, we'll go to distributions. We have the Axios.js and also have the Axios.min.js. Let's say we want to use the min.js. So we'll simply just say node modules, node modules, Axios, and distribution, and Axios min.js. Okay, so let's see what we have here. We don't have an error. Okay, so if I view my page source and I visit our source, I think I have all of it. Okay, so now let's say Okay, let's just see how this is first. Let's say I have a project, a folder, and call it my JS folder, where I will have a file, call it my custom.js. Okay, then my custom.js, I'm going to link it to my page. For example, saying js/custom.js. Okay, so here, let's say I have a, okay, let's just say we want to test our JS folder, if it's connected. So just alert hello world. Okay, sorry. Okay, so with this, I have it. Okay, so okay, so we have everything set up as it should be, just without the jQuery for now.